Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing good and studying well. Yes, sir. Now, one thing which I want to tell you guys, few students have told me also, sir, we are studying really good. I've written all the test paper. I'm practicing really well, but still, sometime I feel that might be I will not remember things in the exam. What if the exam paper comes difficult? See, what is in our control is to study. What is in our control is to practice. We are doing it. Trust me, the exam is going to go amazing. Don't worry about it. We have done really well preparation. We have prepared really well. We have all worked hard. So don't worry about it. The exams are going to go super well. Don't worry. Okay. Now, with this small thing, now one constant request from students which I was getting is students were telling, sir, baggage rule 2016 May. There is one rule number 6 which is there. I say I had never asked a question on rule number 6, but in the previous attempt, they have gone ahead and asked a small question on this. So students told me, sir, can you please go ahead and quickly explain rule number 6 so that we can go ahead and if by chance any question comes off, we can go ahead and take care of it. So I'm here to make a short video on rule number 6, transfer of residency. Now, sir, what happens in transfer of residency? Basically, rule number 6 of the baggage rules in our baggage ka chapter. Yes, rule number 6 talks about transfer of residency. A person, so what does rule number 6 say? See, let's read quickly and then I will summarize also. I have given the summary also. Let's quickly read it. A person who is engaged in a profession abroad. So if you have gone abroad and you have engaged in a profession abroad, means you were working as a professional outside India, or is transferring residency to India. Might be you were you had shifted abroad as a professional, you were working over there, or might be now you are shifting your residency from abroad. Means you had gone from India, outside India, you are working as a professional over there and profession, you're doing some profession and now the profession has gone over and you're coming back to India, or you're transferring your residency. You were settled in abroad, now you're transferring your residency to India. So what will happen when you're transferring your residency to India? Whatever things you have, household items you have over there, you would be carrying along with you in India. See, other than the rule number 3 and 4 ka general fee allowance which we had gone ahead and spoken, 50,000, 15,000, leave all those, that will be allowed to you. Along with that, they are going ahead and telling, when you're transferring your residency from outside India to India, then we'll go ahead and give you additional little allowances. Because you're transferring your residency, you will get your household items from outside India to India. We will allow you to go ahead and get additional allowance, and that is what is being told over here. So it says a person who is engaged in a profession, 1 minute. A person who is engaged in a profession abroad or is transferring his residency shall on return be allowed to clear free of duty. Means you don't have to pay any duty in addition to what he is allowed under rule number 3, or as the case may be under rule number 4. I hope you guys remember 50,000 and 15,000, which is rule number 3 and rule number 4 was talking about. Leave that. That general fee allowance will be given to you. Along with that, they are telling we will go ahead and give you additional general fee allowance or free allowance basically. Articles in bona fide baggage means for which you have gone ahead and basically made a true declaration. You are telling, sir, I am coming from outside India, I am transferring my residence to India now. They are telling we will give you additional allowance as mentioned in the appendix. So here this appendix which is there has 4 cases. One is if you have stayed abroad from 3 months up to 6 months, if you have stayed abroad from 6 months up to 1 year, minimum 1 year and minimum 2 year. If these 4 cases are there, then they are going ahead and telling the personal and household effects which you would have used outside India, that will allow you to get into India duty free. So sir, let's quickly go ahead and understand this. It says, see, the first case says over here, duration of stay abroad. If it was from 3 months up to 6 months, then personal and household articles will be allowed to you. Baba, that general fee allowance which we had already learned, 50,000 on 15,000, that you leave it, that will be allowed. Along with that, they are going ahead and telling, now that you are transferring your residency, your household items you will also be getting back to India. Means you will be carrying back to India from outside India. So for that, they are going ahead and telling personal and household articles other than those mentioned in annexure 1 and annexure 2, but including article mentioned in annexure 3. I'll talk about, see, they are telling annexure 1 and annexure 2 item will not let you any additional. Annexure 1 item we had already gone ahead and learned. Yes, sir. Leave annexure 1. and annexure 2 items. So do we have to remember annexure 1 and annexure 2? Annexure 1 though we had already gone ahead and learned in our baggage. Sir, can you please show us once? Yes, 1 minute. I'll show it to you. Annexure 1 we had already gone ahead and learned in our baggage rules over here. Yes, sir. You had already learned firearms, cartridges, cigarette, cigar, tobacco, alcoholic liquor more than 2 liter, gold and silver, flat panel TV. Baba, this we had already gone ahead and learned. This is annexure 1. Okay? They are going ahead and telling over here, barring annexure 1 and annexure 2. So annexure 1, they are going ahead and telling we have to pay the duty and clear it. It will not be allowed in rule number 6 also. Annexure 2 items they are going ahead and telling we will not allow you to clear in rule number 6. But annexure 3 items we will go ahead and allow you. Annexure 3 mein what are the items? You have to see over here. Sir, do we have to remember annexure 1, annexure 2? See, annexure 1 and annexure 2 items to not allowed only. Annexure 3 wala items they are going ahead and telling we will allow you. What are annexure 3 items? Quickly let's see. Video, cassette recorder, all this VCRs which used to be there, video cassette recorder, digital video disc player, Baba disc player, ठीक है sir. This is video television receiver, this is video television receiver, ठीक है. Music system, okay, air conditioner, microwave oven. So basically when you are staying abroad you would have bought a VCR to see TV, ठीक है, or a television receiver, or you would have bought a video disc player, or you would have bought a music system, or you would have bought an air conditioner, microwave oven, word processing machine. This is a word processing machine, or you would have bought a fax machine, or they are telling any photocopier, Xerox, that photocopy machine, ठीक है. Then washing machine, then electrical or liquefied petroleum gas cooking range, Baba, the gas cooking gas which is there, ठीक है, stuff, okay, or personal computer, laptop computer, refrigerator up to a capacity of 300 liter. They are going ahead and telling these items will go ahead and allow you to clear additionally along with the rule number 3 and rule number 4 wala item. Okay sir, how much we can clear additionally? They are telling condition is you have to be an Indian passenger, and so basically from 3 months up to 6 months if you have stayed abroad and now you are coming back to India, changing your residency to India, they are going ahead and telling we will allow you personal and household articles, जो whichever home का articles, personal and household articles which are there, ठीक है, they are telling basically up to aggregate value of 60,000 they will allow you, ठीक है. Sir, if I have stayed 6 months up to 1 year, then they are going ahead and telling same, everything remains same, 1 lakh, this limit will become to 1 lakh, ठीक है sir. If minimum stay is 1 year in last 2 years, means 1 to 2 year, 1 to 2 year, 1 year to 2 year, then they are going ahead and telling up to an aggregate value of 2 lakh will allow you. But again the conditions over here is it has to be an Indian passenger who is coming back, and he should not have availed this concession in the last preceding 3 years. Means in the last 3 years you should not have availed this concession of 2 lakh rupees. This is the first time in the last 3 years you are going ahead and taking this, then they will go ahead and allow you. It says you should not have availed the concession in the last 3 years. Okay sir. Then minimum stay of 2 years or more, then they are telling personal and household articles will allow you. Annexure 1, annexure 2 item not allowed. Annexure 3 items will be allowed. Basically all this VCR, disc player, refrigerator, microwave oven, etc. will be allowed, and this will be up to an aggregate value of 5 lakh rupees. ठीक है sir. But here what are the condition? It says minimum stay of 2 years abroad immediately preceding the date of arrival. Means the minimum stay has to be 2 years or more than that. ठीक है sir. The total stay in India, now you had gone outside India, ठीक है, you are shifted to the US for an example. Now you are coming back, you are shifting your residence, but in the last 2 years at least you would have come to meet your family, to meet your relatives sometime. So they are going ahead and telling, just a second everyone, what happened? ठीक है, they are telling total stay in India on short visit during the 2 preceding year. See, they are telling 2 years if you had gone ahead and stayed outside India and now you are changing your residence to India, household articles will go ahead and allow you, which are basically including the ones which are basically they are going ahead and telling the ones which are mentioned in annexure 3 up to 5 lakh rupees, ठीक है. But minimum stay should be 2 years, and short visits which you have come to India, they are going ahead and telling total stay in India in short visit during the 2 preceding years should not exceed 6 months. Means you would have come on short visit 50 days, 30 days, 20 days, but that should not have exceeded 6 months. Total should not exceed how much? 6 months. Okay. Total stay in India on short visit during the 2 preceding years should not exceed 6 months. Okay, sir. Then passenger have not availed the concession in the last 3 years. Last 3 years, you should not have gone ahead and taken this concession. In the last 3 years, you should not have taken this concession. Only then this concession of 5 lakh will be allowed to you. But here they are going ahead and telling, sir, what if minimum stay of 2 years was not there? I stayed only 1 year, 10 months, 1 year, 11 months. They are going ahead and telling, for this first condition, for condition 1, shortfall of 2 months in stay abroad can be condoned by the deputy or assistant commissioner. ठीक है, तो डेप्यूटी कमिश्नर और असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर हु इज देयर, ही कैन गो अहेड एंड कंडोन द डिले विच इज देयर. ठीक है सर. नाउ so sir, it says for condition 1, shortfall of 2 months in stay abroad can be condoned by the deputy or assistant commissioner of custom if the early return is on account of terminal leave or vacation being availed by the passenger. So what they are going in and telling, or any other special circumstance for reason to be recorded in writing. They are going in and telling, supposing you came back in 1 year 10 months only, but still they are telling we will give you 2 years ka benefit of 5 lakh rupees if the 2 months ka delay has been condoned by the deputy or assistant commissioner. So if deputy or assistant commissioner wants, he can go ahead and say that okay, this is the reason, no problem, we'll go ahead and allow you 5 lakh rupees ka benefit. You stayed abroad 1 year 10 months, no problem, we'll consider it to be 2 years. 2 months ka delay can be condoned by him. Okay, ठीक है sir. Then total stay in India on short visit during the 2 preceding years should not exceed 6 months. ठीक है. But here sir, what if short visit, trips, etc., which I came to India and went back, exceeded 6 months? Then for condition 2, the principal commissioner or the commissioner of custom may condone short visit in excess of 6 months in special circumstance for reasons to be recorded in writing. He can go ahead and condone the delay. ठीक है sir. Then who can condone? The principal commissioner or commissioner. And sir, last 3 years में you should not have taken this concession. Passenger should not have availed the concession in the preceding 3 years. There is no relaxation on this. Here there is a relaxation of 2 months which can be given. Sir, short visit in excess of 6 months also can be condoned by the principal commissioner or commissioner. ठीक है sir. That's all is there. So sir, if you are a rule number 6 का summary is what? If you are a person who is shifting your residence from outside India to India, you will be allowed to bring along with you personal and household article. Baba, whatever rule, general fee allowance we have learned, that will be allowed. Along with that, they are going in and telling, sir, if your stay is more than equal to 3 months, up to 6 months, means less than 6 months. Sir, 6 months you have to, if exam says exactly 6 months, then sir, Baba, you consider in this one, because 6 months up to 12 months will be over here. Sir, if exam says exactly 1 year, Baba, take it over here. Don't take it over here. So it is more than equal to 3 months, less than 6 months, 60,000, more than 6 months, less than equal to 12 months, 1 lakh, more than 1 year, up to 2 year, 2 lakh, and more than 2 years or more, more than equal to 2 years, it will always be 5 lakh rupees. ठीक है sir. So how do we remember sir? 60,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh and 5 lakh rupees. ठीक है sir. That's all is over here. And remember, in this item, what are the items which will be allowed? These are the items which will be allowed. ठीक है sir. Now, sir, do we have to remember? Baba, read this list 2 times. Annexure 3 wala item. That's all is important. Annexure 1, anyways, you guys know. Annexure 2, Annexure 1 and Annexure 2 ka items will not be allowed in this 60,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh or 5 lakh rupees. Please be very careful. Only Annexure 3 ka items will be allowed. Done. Sir, one question had come in the exam. Let's quickly go ahead and read this question. It says, Varun Goel, an IT professional, a person of Indian origin, is residing in US for the last 14 months. 14 months means where, sir? Baba, 14 months means here. 14 months means where? 14 months means more than 1 year up to 2 years. It means you will be allowed 2 lakh rupees ka allowance. ठीक है sir. Then it goes ahead and says over here, he wishes to bring microwave oven. Sir, if you see over here, microwave oven is an item which is in Annexure 3. Annexure 3 items are allowed. ठीक है. Costing 1,85,000 and weighing 15 kg with him during his permanent return to India. He purchased the oven in US 6 months before and he has been using the oven for his personal use in the kitchen. He is not aware of the Indian custom rule. Analyze and summarize the relating legal provision and provide him some advice in this regard. Relevant legal provision should form part of your answer. ठीक है. A person who is engaged in profession abroad or his minimum stay is 1 year, he will be allowed how much allowance? 2 lakh rupees का allowance, and he will be allowed to bring annexure 1 का item. ठीक है. Specified article. You do annexure, not annexure 1, annexure 3 का item, and annexure 3 का item में 1 item is microwave oven. ठीक है. And it says, however, the Indian passengers should not have availed the concession in the preceding 3 years. You should not have availed this concession. Only then this concession will be allowed. ठीक है sir. Now, Varun Goyal can bring the microwave oven free of cost, provided he had not availed the concession in the preceding 3 years. Done. Q, because 2 lakh rupees is the minimum amount which is allowed, and his microwave oven which is there, the value is only 1,85,500. That's it, everyone. Rule number 6 of baggage rules which is there. Sir, we want these notes which are there. You did not tell us where will we get these notes. Baba, go to rameshsoni.com. rameshsoni.com, under free resources. Under free resources, you will be able to see CA final November 24/May 24 folder. In that, you will find these notes over there. ठीक है sir. Sir, should we refer to the baggage rules, rule number 6 which you have given in your textbook? Baba, don't refer to the textbook. Refer to this note which I have gone ahead and provided. It will be easy because I have gone ahead and provided the summary also. Don't refer to this rule in the textbook. You can refer it from here. ठीक है sir. Done. That's all, everyone. So you have to remember 3 months less than 6 months 60,000. 6 months less than 12 months 1 lakh. 1 year less than 2 year 2 lakh. More than 2 years, 2 years or more than 2 years is 5 lakh rupees. I hope this clarifies. That's all, everyone. Please remember this point which is there. I'll go ahead and close my discussion on the baggage rule which is there. Done, everyone. All the best, guys.